actually does exist. And his name is Zephaniah. And in Zephaniah 3:17, it says that our God is a mighty strong warrior, and that our God is mighty to save. And in this room tonight, I don't know anyone's heart, but in this room tonight, if you don't know Christ, or if you're far from Him, let me just say, God is mighty to save. Right here tonight. You can come to Him tonight. He's mighty. Whatever problem you're facing, He's bigger. Whatever addiction, hurt, hang-up, sin that you struggle with, God is bigger. And He is mighty tonight, no matter what it is. So when you sing this, don't just sing these words. I know most of you guys probably know this song. Mean this. Tell God that you know that He's mighty, and whatever you have that you need to lay before Him, as you sing those words, lay it before Him.
Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of a Savior, the hope of nations. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered